Good morning, YouTube friends, and welcome back to Woodbury Cottage. Today I'm going to be making a few Valentine crafts. It's raining outside, so I can't go into the laundromat because the sound would just be so loud. So I'm in the tiny cottage today working, and I've just been having a good day in here, just piddling around and doing stuff while it's raining. So I want to share a few things with you. The first item that I'm going to share with you is two small gifts. We are going with our friends, our retired friends. We got a little club called the Freebirds. And in February, we're going to take a little Valentine's trip. And I'll try to take some video and show you where we're going and what we're going to be doing. It's not Valentine weekend, you know, because that'd just be too crowded. So we'll probably go the week before or maybe the week after. But I'll try to video some of it for you and let you see what I would do. But I'm gonna make two little gifts today for the ladies that are going. It's only two other ladies than myself, and I'm going to share that with you. So hold on. So this craft is very, very simple. Y'all know I love to do simple stuff that people can use. And this is very simple. We made something similar at Christmas time with the bar soap that went in the bathroom on the little plates. And so now we're going to do one for Valentine. So what we have is the Dove soap, some ribbon, and a washcloth. And this washcloth, I love the bright pink for Valentine, and it's a very nice washcloth. It's Egyptian comb cotton pile. Take that tag off. I don't recognize that name. That's the name of it. So, but it's really a nice washcloth. So all I'm going to do is one end's got like a border. So I'm going to fold it in half. And then I'm going to bring the middles in. And that's all. Okay. Then I'm going to put the little bar soap right there. These two ladies, they're like-minded. They're like me. They don't need a bunch of stuff to sit around this late in life. Bar soap and a wash rag is perfect. They both have RVs, so they'll probably put it in their camper, I'm sure, to use. A little decoration in the RV. We travel with them all kinds of places. We've been to Alaska and Virginia, North Carolina, Georgia. It's a lot of fun. Look at that. Isn't that just as cute as it can be? Okay, and now I've got this little teeny card, and I'm gonna put a little vintage Valentine cutout on it. Now, I found my paper with the vintage little cards on it, and I've picked out one for this. And it looks really nice because you can see the blue on the little bird's wings. Can you see that? And this paper is blue, a powdery blue. Okay, let's glue it to it. I can just spray that on. Let me see if I can spray it on. This has been the nicest spray adhesive I've ever used. I really like it. You do have to wait a minute. You have to hold it for a minute. Okay. Let's see what we want to say. I'm going to say, good friends. Good times. Russell and Angie. Okay. This one's got a little envelope, and it's going to go to Nancy and Randy. Alright. And I'm going to put, should I put Happy Valentine right there? I don't think I will. I think that's enough. I like to keep it simple. Okay, let's put the card in there. Ooh, I might have got my bow too tight. Let's see. Got my bow too tight. Will it go behind this? No, that's too tight too. Alright, let's see about here. Okay, that's too tight. So let's untie it. No need messing it up. Let's put it right there. Okay. We can retie bow. We're almost finished with our tiny cottage video, sharing that with you. My son-in-law does all the editing for us. He's just about got it ready. Okay, what do you think? Isn't that a cute little Valentine gift for a friend? It's only, this washcloth was only 50 cents. The soap was only $1. The ribbon I had in my stash. I actually had it on another gift that I didn't actually give to anyone this year. So I just took it off and saved it. So that's just a nice little gift that says, hey, I enjoy us being together for Valentine's.